Hey everyone, let's build a corner dinette set with 2 stools, a corner booth, and table with fruit that is scaled for minifigures for today's LEGO Brick tutorial. Let's start the build with a 2x2 round plate. Let's flip this over. I'm going to place 4 studs on the bottom. Now these are going to act as legs for our stool. Let's flip it over, and we're going to add a 1x2 plate in the back that's going to be used to help anchor down the minifigures to the stool. And we're going to round off the front with a pair of quarter round flat tiles. For our corner bench, start with a 2x6 plate. Let's place a 2x4 plate on the right hand side, and I'm going to place a 2x6 plate on the left hand side, and we're going to slip in a 2x4 plate on the bottom for the base. Now in the back corner, set down a 1x2x2 corner wall element, and we're going to fill in the remaining areas with 4 1x2 wall elements for the back of the booth. And in the remaining area, 9 1x1 flat tiles. Let's take a 4x4 plate for the top of our dinette table. I'm going to set down a 2x2 jumper plate in the center. Now I want to wrap around this plate with 4 1x2 jumper plates. Now the jumper plates are going to act as anchors to attach accessories to the dinette table. And I'm going to fill in the remaining areas with 4 1x1 flat tiles. I chose this to look like a checkerboard quilted tablecloth. Let's flip the assembly over. Take 4 telescope pieces and place them inside the tubes. These are going to be used for legs for our table. Now let's add a bowl of fruit. I'm going to take an inverted 2x2 dome, place it in the center, and I'm going to stick a banana right inside. Shove that right down in there. And then I'm going to take a few of these little cherry pieces. I'm just going to stuff them in like so. In the back, I'm just going to work those down in there. The banana is going to help tie all this together. So hopefully those cherry pieces will not come out. And no, I'm not going to edit that out either, so if they fall out, they fall out. But that's pretty much about it. Here we have Jay the Surfer. He can sit in the booth. There's no way to really efficiently put studs in there, so they just kind of float down. But on the stools, he does sit and attach securely to the stool. He doesn't fall off. It's a really nice build. This would be great for a small country kitchen.